I'm going to show you how to fix a black screen issue on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. It should be the same for the Watch 7 Ultra as well. Okay. Now, even though you have a black screen, you know the watch is on, maybe you can feel it vibrate, or if you use your charger and you put it on there, you should feel it vibrate really quickly. Okay. So I have one step for you, and this is the main step to get you up and running. If this video doesn't work, then look in the link below. I have like 5 or 6 other easy steps, okay? So this watch here is actually working, but let's pretend I have a black screen here. So what I want you to do is grab the watch like this, and you have the power home button here and the back button. I want you to press and hold both buttons together. Keep on holding until the Samsung logo appears, then let go of both buttons, okay? So let's do this together. Power button, back button, ready? Here, I'm going to show you what it does with the screen on. Okay, so ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Pretend my screen here is black. Keep on holding until we see that Samsung logo. Okay, I'm still holding on both buttons here. Pretend the screen is totally black. I'm just holding these 2 buttons, hoping a Samsung logo appears. There it is. Go ahead and let go and let it boot up normally. And hopefully now you are out of the black screen. If you're not, do the same thing again, okay? If it's still a black screen, then look in the link below. I have like 5 or 6 other easy steps, okay? And let it just boot back up here, and there you go. And hopefully your watch is working.